Hello po, ako si Patrick Owen Tolentino, nickname Taguro from Batch 5. And today pag-uusapan natin ng isang napaka-interesting na topic. Narinig mo na ba yung first gospel? And yes, alam nating lahat ang gospel or is the good news about Jesus. Pero alam mo ba na bago pa yung New Testament, bago pa yung miracles, at bago pa yung birth ni Jesus, may unang gospel na binanggit na sa Bible? Makita natin ito sa Genesis chapter 3 verse 15, and ito yung moment right after na nagkasala sina Adam and Eve. At dito kinausap ng Diyos ang serpent at sinabi niya na I will put enmity between you and the woman, and between your offspring and hers. He will crush your head and you will strike his heel. At dito pa lang, unang prophecy na darating ang tagapagligtas. Kaya tinatawag itong first gospel or proto-evangelium. So bakit? Kasi sa gitna ng unang kasalanan, sa gitna ng unang failure ng tao, God didn't respond with hopelessness. He responded with a promise. Imagine that sa moment na parang everything fell apart, God said na hindi dito nagtatapos. May darating na offspring, sasaktan siya ng kaaway, pero dudurugin niya ang ulo nito. And alam naman natin kung sino yun. Ayun ay walang iba kundi si Jesus. Sa cross, nasaktan siya, the serpent struck his heel. Pero sa resurrection, Jesus crushed the head of the enemy. So, victory, restoration, and hope. Kaya ang first gospel reminds us of this truth. Even in our darkest moment, God's plan is already in motion. Even when we fall, God is already preparing a Savior. Kaya kung feeling mo ngayon defeated ka or broken ka, malayo ka sa Diyos, and hindi mo alam paano ka babangon, remember this verse, which is Genesis chapter 3 verse 15. God is not done with you. The enemy may strike, but Jesus wins every single time. So ayun lamang po. Ulit ako si Taguro from Batch 5, and I hope this reminds you today na may pag-asa, may tagapagligtas, at may panalo na ginawa si Jesus para sa iyo. Na ayun lamang po. Maraming salamat. God bless you, and see you next time.